Jai Janendra to all the Jains around the world as we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti to commemorate the birth anniversary of 24th Tirthankar and the founder of Jainism, Prophet Mahavir. He is called as Mahavir as he was able to conquer upon all his desires. Conquering upon his desires made him also to be called as Jina, which means conqueror. He dedicated his life to the teachings of fivefold path for all householders to follow, which is ahimsa, asatya, brahmacharya, satya, aparigraha, that is non-violence, non-stealing, truth, chastity and non-attachment. He preached that all living beings have a soul and should therefore be treated with love, compassion and respect. He also stressed the importance of living a simple, peaceful and virtuous life. His teachings are not followed today only in the Jain communities alone but others as well. To know about his history and background, Mahavir was born in Ikshvaku dynasty at Kshatriya Kund of Bihar as the son of King Siddhartha of Kundagram and Queen Trishula, who was believed to have 14 auspicious dreams according to Shwetambar sect of Jainism, while Digambar sect believes his mother saw 16 dreams, all signifying the coming of a great soul. His parents were the followers of 23rd Tirthankar, namely Parshvanath. His original name was Vardhaman, later known as Mahavir, was born on the 13th day of month of Chaitra in the year 599 BCE as per Shwetambar Jains, while as per Digambar Jains, they believe that he was born in 615 before Christ's era. Interestingly, his kingdom was practicing Ganarajya, that is a democratic kingdom of Vajji where the king was chosen by votes. Vaishali was its capital. At the age of 30, Vardhaman renounced all his worldly possessions and became a wandering ascetic searching for spiritual enlightenment. He came to be known as Mahavir after spending 12 years in exile as he attained Kevala Janana, that is, omniscience at the age of 42. Thereafter, he spent the next 30 years of his life teaching people the principles of Jainism. As he propagated Jainism, he followed the footsteps of his predecessor Tirthankar Parshvanath. Mahavir expressed his teachings based on scientific explanations of nature and true meaning of life. He preached in a Prakrit language the three ethical tenets of Jainism, which is right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. So the soul is pure and infinite, and that it can attain liberation. These must be practiced in harmony to achieve self-control. Only the pure mind, free from attachments, achieves self-control and can be liberated. Mahavir taught the observance of the vows of ahimsa, that is non-violence, along with satya, that is truth, then asatya, that is non-stealing, then brahmacharya, that is chastity, and aparigraha, that is non-attachment, are necessary for spiritual liberation. He taught the principles of Anikantavad, meaning many-sided reality, Satyavada and Nyayavada. Mahavir attained moksha, that is liberation, at the age of 72. On birthday Jayanti of Mahavir, followers of Jainism, particularly the ancient Jain temples across India, typically see extremely high volume of practitioners who all together come to pay their respect and join in celebrations and then engage in some sort of charitable act like prayers, pujas and observe fasts. Their sadhus and sadhvis conduct lectures that are held in temples to preach the path of virtue as defined by their Bhagwan Mahavir. There's a chariot procession as the idol of Mahavir is carried on a chariot, and on the way there's a recitation of Satyavas, that is religious rhymes. Then the statue of Mahavir are given a ceremonial anointment called the Abhishek. Ahimsa runs the rallies, preaching Mahavir's message of Ahimsa, that is non-violence, are taken out on this day. Donations are collected in order to promote charitable missions like saving cows from slaughter, then liberation prisoned birds, or helping to free poor people with attitude of Jeev Daya. On this note, let us all respect Sri Mahavir and let us all promise that we will not hurt anyone in thought, word or deed, knowingly and unknowingly, and ask to pardon with humbleness by saying with folded hands, Michami Dukram, which means I seek forgiveness. In response, the other human should also respond saying Uttam Shama, that is to say, I also seek your forgiveness and I forgive you wholeheartedly. So live and allow others to live, hurt no one, life is dear to all living beings, do not injure, abuse, oppress, enslave, insult, torment, torture or kill any creature or living being. Injury or violence done by you to any life in any form or animal or human is harmful as it will be if you caused to your own self. Let us live by Parasparo Graho Jivanam, meaning the function of soul is to help one another. To conclude, Mahavir is one of the great prophets of social reformation and peace and deserves to be celebrated as a day to be remembered as Mahavir Jayanti. His message and teachings regarding the universal love will continue to live forever in a manner that causes a little to no harm to living beings. Let us be inspired to lead a simple and pure life. Let us celebrate Mahavir Jayanti by spreading love, joy and harmony. May this festival bring you closer to your family, friends and the community. Jai Jinendra!